According to BBC, CNN, and CGTN TV reporters, Ghana wins the 2025 Dirty December in Africa.
Well, let's move on to Ghana. The country has become a magnet for visitors from across the globe, with Accra at the center of what has come to be known as Detty December.
I laugh in Tree language. Hey, guys, when I saw this news, I'd be like, where are the Nigerians dragging Dirty December with Ghana? Omo, at this point, I will say this video is specifically for Wuna. Yes, Wuna, you Nigerians, is for you. When Wuna gather here, can see something. Well, guys, before we watch the exciting news, I would love to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super excited to have you here. Please don't make it the last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do all to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Guys, let's get right into the video. And please, at the end of it, kindly drop a thought in the comment section. Let's watch.
Ghana nightlife is terrific. And if you're used to sort of nightclubs, nightlife in the Western world, you're in for a treat because instead of being all about getting drunk, it's all about having fun. So I'm here at L'Afrique, which is kind of a typical night spot here in Ghana. Noise is a little bit loud, the music's a little loud, so if you can't hear me too well, sorry about that, guys. But check how beautiful this is. Ghana nightlife is just that beautiful. You gotta get out here, this is amazing, but let me show you what it's like inside here. See how beautiful it is? You see the food here is amazing. Beautifully decorated. Everything's just cool. There's no one throwing up. There's no weird stuff going on. Just a lot of people having a really good time after a really hard work day. So, now for me, I'm a little bit older, so I need things a little quieter. And what's cool here at L'Afrique is they got a little quiet corner for the old guys. Right over here with my buddies. Hey guys. So we'll see you on the next video. And if you want to have a really good time, come out and see us here in Ghana at L'Afrique.
Well, let's move on to Ghana. The country has become a magnet for visitors from across the globe, with Accra at the center of what has come to be known as Detty December, of course coined in Nigeria. What started as a social media buzz is now big business, helping to drive tourism and jobs. Now, new figures show the West African nation made record earnings from tourism last year, with December playing a major role. CGTN's Nabil Ahmed Rufai reports.
Music, crowds, and color. This is December in Ghana. Every year, Accra becomes a focal point for global entertainment. Festivals, concerts, and cultural events attract thousands of visitors from the United States, the United Kingdom, and other parts of the world.
Being in Ghana for the second time in my life is amazing. And I'm actually about to celebrate my 50th birthday in 1 more day, 2 more days. So to be here in this transitional period of my life, back in the motherland 25 years later, words can't describe it.
The season, widely referred to as Dirty December, has grown into a powerful economic engine. According to government data, generating a record $4.8 billion in revenue.
Behind me is the sound of Dirty December in full swing. Packed concerts, global artists, and hundreds of revelers filling Accra's nightlife. But beyond the music and the vibes, this season is big business.
Event organizers say the season creates jobs. from stage crews and security to food vendors.
As it brings more people to the continent, not just Ghana. Even though Ghana is the black star and it's a gateway to Africa, once people come to Ghana, they want to just explore other African countries as well too. So the main vision and the main goal is to bring more people on the continent, and the people on the continent, people outside the continent can work together and make us one.
Officials from the Ghana Tourism Authority say the government is positioning December as a flagship tourism product, particularly targeting diaspora travelers and cultural tourists.
December in GH is a marketing strategy to get more inbound visitors to come into the country, one. Two, to get the domestic tourists to also move from their places of abode or residence to other parts of the country. So you realize that every part of the country is busy. The Ghana Tourism Authority this year approved over 130 events across the country, for private players to have their engagement with communities.
Still, expectations remain high. Tourism authorities say visitor numbers are projected to rise even further this year, promising another boost for the economy. Nabil Ahmed Rufai, CGTN, Accra, Ghana.
Christmas in Ghana, the December you'll never forget. When it's Christmas, Europe becomes almost empty and America becomes half empty. Because when December comes, thousands pack their bags, book their flights, and head to one African country. All because of something called Detty December. It happens every year in Accra, Ghana, and it's not just a party, it's a lifestyle. Ghana is peaceful, safe, and full of energy. Foreigners dance all night, eat, laugh, and live freely. No stress, no fear, just joy. Some came once, and now they never stop returning. In fact, many stay so long that by the time they're supposed to go back to work, they're still in Ghana dancing. Some even lose their jobs, not because they wanted to, but because Ghana's December is just too good to leave. When you experience Detty December, you wish Christmas would never end. And when you finally go back home, it feels like the next day should be Christmas again, just so you can return. That's Ghana, the only place where Christmas becomes a feeling, not a date.
Foreigners travel, come enjoy Christmas for Ghana the same way they travel, come enjoy Christmas for Nigeria. For Ghana, everybody enjoy their life. Jenjeje, we no hear story. For Nigeria, some people enjoy their life, some people they cry. How you want them to say that they cry? I bet watch this one. This one are for Ghana.
Listen, if you're going Ghana this year, be prepared to not sleep. Like, be prepared to just have 1 hour of sleep, because the amount of outings you're going to be going is not a joke.
Food, what's that? I want to bring it on my head.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. No, I want to put the basket on my head. You always have to think for yourself. Ain't happy, eh? That's
You see, may we watch Nigeria.
I'm not Nigerian. I am a Nigerian, even more than you said. I am a Nigerian, Oga. I am a Nigerian. Let me show you now. Let me show you my passport. Get my passport, Oga. I'm a Nigerian. Don't do that. Don't harass me. This is a country. Don't do that rubbish with me. It's not your country. Okay, I'm a Nigerian. Show me your Nigerian passport. I'm a Nigerian. Don't do that. Are you okay? Meaning what? You're harassing me in my own country. Telling me I'm not Nigerian as what? Slap me now. Slap me. Slap me. Look at this man, oh. I'm not Nigerian. As what? Meaning what? Look at this guy telling me because I'm not Nigerian. I'm not Nigerian. Meaning what? You're insulting me in my own father's land. Are you okay? Even this idiot. This one, I'm not Nigerian. Are you okay?
Prove yourself.
I should put myself. Look at my passport. Look at my passport. Now read it.
Is this not a foreign passport?
And so what? I am justice. What are you saying?
Show me your Nigerian passport.
Look at this idiot. Look at this man.
I just checked it today. I just checked it today.
Everything was in good condition.
How? How's everything in good condition? I just checked it today. Your bed is broken. You're telling.
It wasn't like that when you check in.
How? Okay, look at your pillowcase. Look at your pillowcase. Look at your pillowcase. I just came from the UK. From the UK today.
Everything was in good condition.
How was it good condition? I just came from the UK today. I have proof. I just came from the UK today. I was already complaining when it was stuff like this.
He checked everything.
Okay, but how is he going to know that a bed is broken? Is he going to lie in the bed?
I didn't mean that if he noticed that the bed was
I haven't lied on the bed.
He's supposed to.
Okay, are you going to lie down in the bed to know if bed is broken?
In good condition. You are the one that break the bed.
I was the one.
And you are going to
I just came. Are you okay?
Oh, it's not even been 5 minutes. I checked into my apartment at literally 11 o'clock p.m. I complained to the agency, yo, my bed is broken, and he's already trying to find me. Like, bro, it's not making sense, bro. I want my refund. He said, you're trying to get a refund? I'm like, yes, I'm trying to get a refund because the bed is broken and the place is not clean. I don't understand. What kind of stupid apartment is this? It's not even making sense.
You see, this Nigeria apartment, I experienced 2023, Michael O Music invite me over from Ghana to Nigeria. There are some music video they want to shoot and also have some bargain with me how we are going to promote the song. I travel to Lagos. Banana Island. We go there. I enter the house. This house, they don't stay there for about 1 week before I come. As I just enter batters make a bath, the grass, according to what you just watched for this video now, the grass wanted to fall down. Thank God I was sharp enough to hold it. If not, that grass will break. Before the other boy that we are in the same room together tell me that is the way it is since they came there. As an apartment manager, can't you fix things according to how it's supposed to be? The thing does spoil. You yourself, you see and say it's spoiled. He's not holding the grass again. you are managing it. When somebody break am now, you go say na the person break am, make copy. Na wetin dey happen to this guy be this. You just dey check in before you know grass if for batters e don dey remove. Pillow wey dem take dey sleep e dirty, dem no wash am well. When wetin cause una to buy another one. At the end of the day, you want to fight the person. As people dey see this kind thing on social media, which mind una say make dem get for una again anytime the person wan come Nigeria? I want to go Nigeria. I want to go Nigeria. And at the end of the day, the person go come. He no go enjoy good moment. The person dey talk to you, you wan fight am. Apartment owner, you wan fight am. Una dey give Nigeria good name or una dey give a bad name? May God help una. See Ghana, everybody come Ghana, enjoy themselves, have fun. They go without no wahala. Show me person wey come Ghana wey complain of something. Show me. But for Nigeria, they must complain. Why? On this reason, I believe say not be only government be our problem. We Nigeria, we need to work on ourselves. Most of you no believe say I be Nigeria. I am a full Edo boy, born and brought up in Nigeria. I wish I no travel comot, my eye if I no open. I foresee the tick say yes, Nigeria is the best. Everything happening in Nigeria is normal. It's not normal. We have been manipulated by demon